Hey guys, new year, new you. You might have a New Year's resolution of eating right and working out. However, some of you guys might have a New Year's resolution of starting a new business. And what better way than to do it by starting your own detailing business? Today, we're gonna give you guys our top 5 tips on starting your brand new detailing business. Our first tip for you guys is to start off small. Now you're gonna have to build the stepping stones and the foundation in order for you to kind of get the ball rolling, and then you'll start getting all your detail experience and you'll be able to kind of offer more services within the future. So starting off small means starting off by doing your basic washes, your wash and wax, maybe a little bit of interior cleaning, all that good stuff, engine bay. Those are all easy things that you can do that are super effective and you can make a lot of money from. So you don't have to trouble yourself or worry yourself over having to invest such a large amount of money into your business when you're first starting off. You build your arsenal, you work your way up, and then soon enough, you'll have everything that you need to do professional level work. And if you can afford to get everything all in one shot right at the beginning, then go for it. There's nothing wrong with that either. Starting off small is just a great way to kind of build yourself up, not just because of your chemicals or anything like that, or your tools. It's more so the experience. You kind of have to learn the ropes. You have to kind of figure out what works best for you, what works best for the cars, and what works best for your customers. Another great way to get your foot in the door is by checking out our starter kits. Now we offer a variety of different level starter kits depending on what you're going for, whether you want more of an interior kit, an exterior kit, a basic wash kit, or a full-fledged polishing kit. We carry them all. So make sure to check those out on our website just to kind of get your foot in the door and just kind of get a little collection going on. In this time of technology, branding yourself on social media is one of the most crucial things. Posting all those awesome before and afters on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever platform that you love using. So have your friends repost you, repost your work. That gets your name much more out there. You can also, even give discounts or deals to those of which who actually leave reviews about your business. So if you've worked with someone in the past and you're always working on their car, it doesn't hurt to just ask them if they can leave a review on your page, which other people see that you're a trustworthy brand, a trustworthy company, and that even makes people want to go to you even more. Another tip for you guys is to take your detail mobile. Now, people don't like waiting to get their car washed, and especially driving to the car wash and having to wait there. So eliminate that entirely by going to them. All right, guys, so we just got to our destination. We're actually in our parking lot. We have this awesome Tacoma. As you guys can see, it looks fairly clean, which means that we're just gonna give it a general little wipe down and give it a little touch up. So I have my Arsenal Range bag right here. As you guys can see, it's a pretty big bag and it has everything that I need in order to clean this truck. Now, as you guys can see, I have a nice variety of towels here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of those, and then I'm also gonna grab a bottle of Speed Wipe. The owner of this vehicle, we actually washed it, clayed it, and sealed it about 2 or 3 months ago. And the protection on this is amazing. So a lot of this contaminant is not really gonna stick. So Speed Wipe is a great way of easily knocking this stuff down without having to conduct a full wash. I'm gonna grab my green Workhorse towel, fold it into 4s, grab my bottle of Speed Wipe, and I'm gonna make sure that that's on open. I'm gonna spray a nice fine coat onto the surface here. I also spray the area that you guys saw right here by the hood scoop. Set my bottle down. And then I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel here and just buff off the dirt and grime. As you guys can see, check that out. All that dirt and grime, you may not have been able to see it on camera, but you can definitely see it on that towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping this car down. As you guys can see, it's not very dirty at all. Like I mentioned, it's just a light layer of dust. So that's gonna make it super easy for us to go ahead and clean and keep this detail mobile. While the owner of this vehicle, he's inside, he's working. So by you going to them, it eliminates the need of them having to set up an appointment, have to go to a car wash and wait endlessly for their car to get clean. This way, you go to them, you clean their car on your time, and they're also working on their time. So they're making money, you're making money, and everyone's happy. And our last tip for you guys is to never stop investing in yourself. You wanna make sure that you're able to go ahead and keep up with the times. Detailing, it's an industry that's always growing. There's always something new, innovative, a new chemical, a new way of cleaning. We have a ton of resources that you guys can go ahead and take advantage of, such as our YouTube channels, which, you're watching one right now, so you're learning right now. So continue to keep watching our awesome YouTube guides and tutorials. You can also take courses at your local Detail Garage location. We offer 3 different courses. You have your basics of detailing class, which teaches you everything from washing, clay barring, waxing your car the proper way. And then you have stuff that's more in-depth, such as our DIY polishing class. Once you get to that point where you're polishing vehicles, then taking a polishing course is going to be awesome for you guys. And we also offer our Smart Detailing University Master's course. The Master's course is a 5-day course that teaches you from everything from A to Z about detailing. So whether it be how to wash your car the proper way to how to apply professional grade ceramic coating like Carbon Force, we teach it all. It's an excellent course to take, especially if detailing is going to be your primary business, or even if you just want to be really good at it as a side business. To learn more about these courses, make sure to check with your local detail garage or visit our website chemicalguys.com to learn more. All right guys, and there you guys have it. So these were our top 5 tips for you guys to starting your own detailing business. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like. If you learned something new today, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and I'll see you guys next time.